Hello my dear viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I will tell you how you can draw paranitrophenol 3D structure using 3D model. You can see on the screen paranitrophenol is visible. Fine. Today I will tell you detailed step how you can start by making phenol. After that I will substitute nitrophenol. Before proceeding it, please to subscribe. Okay, now I will tell you detailed procedure of the same. This is a carbon. We know what is the valency of carbon. It is a 4. And when you want to make the stereo model using this stereo balls, you can see onto this black ball there are 4 holes. That is why we can understand this is a carbon because it is of 4 valency. Now I add hydrogen. We know how we need to draw benzene. There is a double bond. We know that is the alternative side. We need to make double bond. Fine. This is a carbon. I add one carbon to other carbon with the help of 2 double bond. Now I add hydrogen. Okay. Again I want to add one more carbon because as I already mentioned we need to make double bond alternatively. So firstly I make carbon with the double that is attached to other carbon with the help of double bond, and next carbon we need to attach with the help of single bond only. Again here is a need to add next carbon but with the help of double bond. So we need to check whether the carbon is sp2 hybridized model, like ball we need to see, otherwise in the carbon the holes onto the carbon they are opposite to each other. But when we need to make double bond onto the same carbon, we need to choose that carbon or the black ball where 2 holes they are close to each other. Okay, next here I attached one more carbon with the help of 2. These are double bond. If there is a I will show in the future. You can see if onto this white stick if there is a white ball, that is a hydrogen. Otherwise this only stick if there is no ball, that behave as a bond only. Now you can see one half of the benzene ring, it is complete. Now I make onto other side I need to make, or I need to attach one more carbon. It happened when we attach these ball with the help of stick, sometime it will break, but we need to check whether it is stable or not, right? Okay, now I attach one more carbon with the help of single bond. Yes, one more carbon. It happened sometime. I think now I need to increase its speed. Okay, one more carbon is attached here with the help of single bond. It happens sometime. If you are beginner, you can take a help of this periodic table. You can see below to my hands there are periodic table. You can take a help, or you can learn all the element of periodic table with the help of this chart. Okay. Now on to second end, I would like to attach more carbon. Now 4 carbon is attached. If you want to make 5-membered ring structure, it is complete. On to in between these 2 carbon, if I make or if I attach one bond, it is a C5. But I need to make C6 that is the benzene. We know what is the chemical formula of benzene, that is C6H6. Now it is almost complete. You can see alternatively there are double bond and the single bond, because we knew what is the benzene structure. In the benzene we need to attach 6 carbon with the help of double, 3 double and 3 single bond. Now on to each carbon we need to add hydrogen. It is almost complete. Yes, if I attach each hydrogen onto each carbon, thus resulting structure is known to be benzene, or it is a calculus structure. The other name of benzene is calculus structure. Now you can see benzene is ready. Yes, and my aim to make paranitro, and before to paranitrophenol structure I want to make phenol. Fine, so I attach bond here. This is the bond only, or we can treat it as hydrogen. If there is a white ball, you can see there are number of white stick. If onto white stick, yes, here, this is oxygen. We know valency of oxygen is 2. So onto one end I attached carbon, and onto other end I attach hydrogen. You can see this is OH. Fine, and this resulting structure is known to be phenol, because what is a phenol? When we attach hydroxyl to benzene ring. Now I want to add nitro group onto this phenol. So firstly I will make ortho nitrophenol. Ortho mean, if you can see onto benzene ring there is a hydroxyl. Next to hydroxyl group, the first one is known as ortho. This is a ortho. Now I want to add NO2. We know what is nitro is NO2. So I already attached nitrogen to 2 oxygen, and on the other hand I attach this nitrogen to the carbon with the help of single bond. This is function group hydroxyl. On to the next to function group, that is ortho. Yes, this is first is ortho, then meta, and the third one is the para, or we can say the opposite to function group, that is the para, and the resulting structure is known to be paranitrophenol. You can see hydroxyl group and nitro group, they are opposite to each other as a diagonally. In the next video, I would like to explain why paranitrophenol is not volatile as compared to orthonitrophenol. Fine. So please do
and yes,
my channel,
this
and don't forget to like and
paranitrophenol
share
structure
video.
is ready. You can see they are opposite to each
You
other.
can see
On to one hand there is a hydroxyl group, and on to other hand there is a
if you have any kind
paranitro
of query as
group.
why
Fine. So structure
any
is
structure
ready.
is liquid and any is solid, you can message in the text box. You can see this is a paranitrophenol. In the next video I would like to clear your all queries. Please do subscribe.